Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are healthy and happy at home. I am Rupal ma'am, and today in our GA class, we are going to learn about water animals. Water animals are also called as aquatic animals. These animals live in fresh water such as lake, rivers and ponds, or they live in salt water such as ocean. पॉन्ड मतलब तालाब, रिवर मतलब नदी और ओशन मतलब समुद्र. Yay! Children, what is this? Yes, this is a fish. So today we are going to learn about more water animals through flashcards. Are you all ready? Okay, let's get started. This is a cute little fish. This is a dangerous shark with sharp teeth. This is a soft jellyfish. This is a crab. This is a turtle. This is a big whale. Do you know, children? Whale is the biggest of all animals. This is a naughty purple octopus. This is a happy starfish. This is a seahorse. This is a playful seal. Now children, let's say the names of water animals one more time. Fish, shark, jellyfish, crab, whale, turtle, octopus, starfish, seahorse, seal. Now children, let us do an activity. We will find the pair of each water animal which I have here. This is a fish. So let's find its pair. Yes, we will put it here. This is an octopus. So let's find where is the octopus. Here. This is a crab. So where do we see a crab here? Yes. This is a whale. Where do you see a whale? Very good. This is a starfish. So we will place it here. This is a jellyfish. Where do you see a jellyfish here? Yes, we will put it here. This is a shark. So we will put the shark here. This is a seahorse. So where do you see a seahorse? Yes, we will keep it here. This is a turtle. So we will pair the turtle here. Worksheet time. Circle the water animals. So in this worksheet, children, you will have to circle the water animals. Let's see which water animals do we have here. Turtle, octopus, seahorse, crab, dolphin. So children, I hope you all enjoyed learning about water animals through this video. So keep practicing and bye bye. Say bye to this fishy.